Day trading looks sexy until the market slaps you. So here's the no BS playbook beginners actually need to survive and maybe even win. The core rule. Rule 1, protect your cash. Your account is your ammo. Blow it and the game's over. Real traders don't chase hype. They follow rules like machines. Strategy number 1, the breakout. A breakout is simple. Price is stuck in a tight range, then boom. If it breaks above resistance with strong volume, you buy. If it cracks below support, you short. No guessing. Wait, confirm. Strike. Strategy number 2, the pullback. When a stock runs up fast, beginners chase. Don't. Pros wait for the pullback, a small drop back to a key level like the 9 EMA or 20 EMA. If it bounces, you enter with momentum at your back instead of luck. Strategy number 3, vwap strategy. VWAP, the average price, big money paid today. If the price stays above VWAP, buyers control. If it's under, sellers control. Trade in the direction of the power. Fighting VWAP is how beginners die. Risk control. Set your stop before you enter. If you're risking $20, don't let it turn into $60 because your ego wouldn't let you hit sell. Small losses keep you in the game. One giant loss ends your career. Trade less, win more. The best traders don't click every candle. They wait for A setups. 2 strong trades beat 10 garbage ones. Patience is a weapon. Day trading isn't gambling if you have a real strategy and actual discipline. Use these plays, protect your account, and trade with intention. And if you want more straight up, no fluff trading breakdowns, hit subscribe right now.